Hey guys, welcome back to Ultimate Beauty. Here in New York last night we had a snowstorm and we got 2 feet of snow. Second week in November, 2 feet of snow. I really shouldn't be surprised since I live in New York. But anyway, I'm going to do a quick video of some of the products that I have loved this fall so far. First up, we have Too Faced Glitter Balm palette. I got it during their 70% off sale, so I was very pleased with the price. Really pretty glittery colors, glittery shades. It also comes with 2 base shades. So the white shade is a brightening. So if you put that on your lid and then you put one of these little babies over it, it makes for a brighter effect. And then you have the intensifying base. And then you put one of the glitters over it. Same deal, makes it an intenser shade. The glitter's great, not a lot of fallout. There's always fallout with any glitter. It goes on nice, wet or dry. I find the best way to apply the glitter is with fingertips though. It picks up the most glitter. Also, it came with a free melted liquid lipstick. This one's in the shade Chihuahua. I love these lipsticks. They're pretty, they stay on nice, and they smell really good. And it came with a little page sample of their Born This Way concealer. 3 little shade options. Then by theBalm, I got the Balm Voyage palette. It was on sale at Cosmoprof. So, very nautical. So you got 9 eyeshadows there, I think. And then you have 2 blush, a contour, and a highlighter. And we're not done yet. 2 lip colors. I think they can be used as cheek stains too. Pretty nice staying power on the eyeshadow. The contour made me break out. Doesn't mean it will make you break out. That was the one drawback there, but it's okay. And then the lip colors are pretty nice. Decent pigment. I may do separate video reviews of the makeup. Not sure yet. Then, my other favorite time of year is from Bath & Body Works. And it was buy 3, get 3 free. Plus I had a bunch of coupons. So I was thrilled. I was like a kid in a candy store. My favorite scents come out this time of year. Vanilla Bean Noel is my all-time favorite. I love the smell of vanilla bean, so I got 2 of these. Had to climb a shelf to get the last 2 that were there. Can't forget the lotion. And then some Twisted Peppermint, if you're like me and you want to smell like a candy cane. And I always get at least 1 winter candy apple. Then the palette that I've been dreaming of for quite some time. Too Faced's Dream Queen palette. It doesn't just come with the palette, it comes with this very pretty makeup bag. Nice and big to fit everything in. A really pretty lipstick. Their famous mascara. Hear the plow over there. Welcome to New York. And then the Hangover RX priming and setting spray. Just gotta say, I'm not a big believer in setting sprays because I think it's a lot of money for, in my opinion, water. But it came with the set, so I figured why not give it a try. And this stuff is amazing. I put it on in the morning, 12 hours later, my makeup looked exactly the same. It was perfect. So now I'm a believer. You can check out these babies. This is definitely getting its own review coming up next. So in love with it. And since that Too Faced palette is exclusively at Sephora, and Sephora always has those fun little codes you can add to get extra stuff, so I added this one and got this bag. So we got some hair samples, watermelon sleeping mask. I don't even know what that's gonna do. A couple of face cleanser product thingies. Sweet mascara from Lancôme. Another setting spray, but this one's the all-nighter from Urban Decay, which I will be giving a try. And a little lip paint from Tarte. The one letdown with Sephora now is that they only give you 2 free samples with your order. They used to give you 3. Like, what happened, guys? Come on. But anyway, I got bareMinerals Complexion Rescue, and a couple shades to try. And I got this little perfume sample from Dior, Joy. I went to DSW and I got some nice boots. None too soon, right? I like the buckles. It's really nice in the snow. They're really cute too. Then I went to Kohl's. I got this sweater, and it is the softest, nicest thing I've ever seen. Oh, I just want to hug it. Beautiful. Came in a bunch of colors. And I'm such a sucker for plaid. I always go to their 80% off rack and I find a plaid shirt. This one I think was for $7. So I added to my plaid collection. This is kind of minor, but I got a camisole. Black camisole, big deal, right? So the brand, I think it's So, has the nicest camisoles I've ever worn. They're perfect. They have so many colors. They're so comfortable. I recommend them 100%. And like I said, I live in New York, so this time of year I'm always cold. And I'm such a weirdo, I love slippers. So I got 2 different pairs of slippers. I got these ones, the original Mucklucks. And I got these from LC Lauren Conrad. Both slippers. Because it is freezing in New York. So thank you for watching my quick little beauty haul of fall 2018. I will be doing separate reviews on the makeup, so stay tuned for those. Let me know what products you've been loving this fall, and I will see you next time. Bye!